Hold on to your hats, fashionistas! Flare jeans, once relegated to the back of your closet, are officially back and more fabulous than ever. Sales of flare jeans skyrocketed by 40% last year, proving that this iconic style is having a major renaissance. Get ready to embrace the leg-lengthening, figure-flattering magic of flares. But before we dive into styling tips, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the fascinating history of this beloved denim silhouette. Believe it or not, flare jeans have a longer and more storied past than you might imagine. Their journey begins in the 19th century, where they were first introduced as part of sailor uniforms. These wide-legged trousers were not just a fashion statement, but a practical choice for sailors. The design allowed them to easily roll up the pants when working on deck, keeping them dry and out of the way. Additionally, the wide legs provided a surprising benefit: buoyancy. If a sailor fell overboard, the flared pants could help keep them afloat, offering a better chance of survival in the treacherous waters. As time went on, the practical design of these pants caught the eye of the general public. By the mid-20th century, flare jeans had made their way from the decks of ships to the streets of America. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, and flare jeans became a symbol of counterculture and bohemian chic. This era was marked by a spirit of rebellion and a desire to break free from the conventional norms of society. The youth of the 60s and 70s embraced flare jeans as a way to express their individuality and nonconformity. Rock stars, hippies, and fashion-forward individuals all adopted this style, making it a defining look of the era. Think Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix, and Farrah Fawcett, all rocking flares with effortless cool. These icons not only popularized the style but also cemented its place in fashion history. The wide legs allowed sailors to easily roll them up when working on deck and provided buoyancy if they fell overboard. This practical origin story adds a layer of depth to the fashion statement that flare jeans would later become. The transition from a utilitarian garment to a fashion icon is a testament to the versatility and enduring appeal of flare jeans. They have been reinvented time and again, adapting to the changing tastes and trends of each decade. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, and flare jeans became a symbol of counterculture and bohemian chic, embraced by everyone from rock stars to hippies. This period saw a surge in creativity and self-expression, and flare jeans were at the forefront of this movement. The flared silhouette was not just a fashion choice, but a statement of rebellion against the mainstream. It was a way for people to showcase their free-spirited nature and their desire to break away from societal norms. The wide legs and dramatic flare of the jeans made them a perfect canvas for personalization, with many people adding patches, embroidery, and other embellishments to make their jeans truly unique. Embraced by everyone from rock stars to hippies, flare jeans became synonymous with the era's music, art, and culture. They were more than just a piece of clothing. They were a symbol of a generation's values and aspirations. Think Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix, and Farrah Fawcett, all rocking flares with effortless cool. These icons not only popularized the style, but also cemented its place in fashion history. Their influence can still be seen today, as modern fashion continues to draw inspiration from their iconic looks. Today, flare jeans are a timeless wardrobe staple, loved for their versatility and ability to elevate any outfit. They have been reimagined in countless ways, from high-waisted versions to cropped styles, proving that their appeal is truly enduring. Whether dressed up with a chic blouse and heels, or dressed down with a casual tee and sneakers, flare jeans continue to be a go-to choice for fashion enthusiasts around the world. Their rich history and enduring style make them a beloved piece in any wardrobe, a true testament to their lasting impact on fashion. One of the reasons flare jeans have stood the test of time is their incredible versatility and flattering fit. Unlike skinny jeans that can sometimes emphasize certain areas, flares create a balanced silhouette that works for almost every body type. The flared leg elongates the lower body, making you appear taller and leaner. They also work wonders to balance out wider hips or a fuller bust, creating an hourglass effect. Whether you're petite, curvy, or tall, there's a flare jean out there waiting to hug your curves in all the right places. But let's address some common misconceptions about flare jeans, shall we? Section 4. Mythbusters Ditch the Flare Fears. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flare jeans, a style that has been both adored and misunderstood over the years. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or someone who's just curious about this iconic denim style, this segment is for you. Many people shy away from flare jeans due to outdated fashion myths. These myths have been around for decades, causing hesitation and confusion among shoppers. But it's time to set the record straight and embrace the versatility and charm of flare jeans. Let's debunk some of those, shall we? By the end of this, you'll be ready to rock those flares with confidence and style. Myth number 1. Flares are only for tall people. Absolutely not. This misconception has prevented many from even trying on a pair. The truth is, flares can be incredibly flattering on all body types. Flares can make anyone look taller with the right styling. The key is to find the right fit and length that complements your body shape. For instance, a well-fitted pair of flares can elongate your legs and create a balanced silhouette. Petite ladies opt for a higher rise and pair them with heels for an instant leg lengthening effect. This combination not only adds height but also gives a chic and polished look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and see what works best for you. Myth number 2. Flares are outdated. Wrong again. This style has made a significant comeback in recent years, gracing runways and fashion magazines alike. Designers are constantly reinventing flares, making them relevant for today's fashion scene. Fashion is cyclical, and flares are back and more stylish than ever. From vintage-inspired designs to modern twists, there's a flare for everyone. Embrace the nostalgia while staying on trend with contemporary cuts and washes. Plus, their timeless appeal ensures they'll never truly go out of style. Celebrities and fashion influencers have been spotted rocking flares, proving that this trend is here to stay. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual, flares can be your go-to choice. Myth number 3. Flares are only for casual occasions. Think again. This versatile piece can be styled for various settings, from casual weekends to professional environments. It's all about how you accessorize and pair them with other wardrobe staples. With the right styling, flares can be dressed up or down. Pair them with a blazer and heels for a sophisticated office look, or with a simple tee and sneakers for a laid-back vibe. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always stylish. We'll explore outfit formulas for every occasion later on. Stay tuned as we dive into different ways to style your flares, ensuring you have the perfect outfit for any event. From day to night, flares can be your fashion ally. Now that we've cleared the air, you can confidently add flare jeans to your wardrobe. Embrace the style and make it your own. Let's delve into the key elements of flare jeans. Understanding the different cuts, fabrics, and details will help you make an informed choice to help you find your perfect pair. From classic denim to bold prints, there's a flare jean out there waiting for you. So, let's get started on this stylish journey together. Section 5. Anatomy of a flare, decoding the details. In this section, we will delve deep into the intricate details that make flare jeans a timeless and versatile piece in any wardrobe. From the fabric to the fit, every element plays a crucial role in defining the overall look and feel of these iconic jeans. Not all flares are created equal. Each pair has its own unique characteristics that can enhance or detract from your overall style. By understanding these differences, you can make more informed choices that align with your personal fashion preferences. Understanding the different components of a flare jean will help you choose the most flattering style for your body type. Let's start with the fabric, which is the foundation of any great pair of jeans. Fabric. From classic denim to corduroy, the choice of fabric can significantly impact the comfort, durability, and appearance of your flare jeans. Velvet and even linen, each fabric brings its own unique texture and feel. Denim is a classic choice, known for its durability and timeless appeal. Corduroy adds a touch of retro charm, while velvet offers a luxurious feel perfect for special occasions. Linen, on the other hand, is lightweight and breathable, making it ideal for warmer weather. Flares come in a variety of fabrics to suit every season and occasion. Whether you're looking for something casual or more formal, there's a fabric out there that will meet your needs. Rise, low, mid, or high, the rise of your flare jeans can dramatically impact your silhouette. The rise refers to the distance from the crotch seam to the top of the waistband. The rise of your flare jeans can dramatically impact your silhouette. Low-rise jeans sit below the natural waistline, creating a relaxed and casual look. Mid-rise jeans sit at the natural waist, offering a balanced and versatile option. High-rise jeans sit above the natural waist, elongating the legs and cinching the waist for a more polished and sophisticated appearance. High-waisted flares are universally flattering, elongating the legs and cinching the waist. They create a sleek and streamlined look that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Length. The perfect flare length should hit right at the floor when you're wearing shoes. This ensures that the jeans create a continuous line from the waist to the floor, enhancing the elongating effect. Avoid anything too short or you'll risk looking like you've outgrown your pants. On the other hand, jeans that are too long can drag on the ground and become damaged over time. Fit flares come in a range of fits, from snug fitting through the thigh to wider leg styles. The fit you choose can greatly influence the overall look and feel of your outfit, from snug fitting through the thigh to wider leg styles. Snug fitting flares hug the body and create a sleek silhouette, while wider leg styles offer a more relaxed and comfortable fit. Choose a fit that flatters your shape and allows for comfortable movement. It's important to try on different styles to see what works best for your body type and personal preferences. Cuts. From subtle bootcut flares to dramatic wide leg styles, the cut of your flares can create different vibes. Bootcut flares are more understated and versatile, while wide leg styles make a bold fashion statement. The cut of your flares can create different vibes. Bootcut flares are more understated and versatile, while wide leg styles make a bold fashion statement. The cut you choose can reflect your personal style and the image you want to project. Experiment to find what suits your personal style. Don't be afraid to try different cuts and see how they make you feel. Fashion is all about self-expression, and the right pair of flare jeans can help you showcase your unique personality. Now that you're well-versed in the anatomy of a flare, you have the knowledge to make informed decisions when shopping for your next pair. Remember, the key to finding the perfect flare jeans is understanding the details that make each pair unique. Let's move on to styling essentials to create effortlessly chic looks. With the right pair of flare jeans, you can build a variety of outfits that are both stylish and comfortable. Stay tuned for our next section where we'll explore different ways to style your flares for any occasion. If you enjoyed this guide and want more fashion tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the best in fashion advice. Thanks for watching.